Hello and welcome to Beauty with Myra. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to follow me on my social media accounts. Now let's get started with this hair treatment. First of all, we are going to be needing natural cinnamon. If you don't have natural cinnamon, you can use ground cinnamon, but it's preferably if you use the natural stick kind, but you also have the other option. You also need honey, coconut oil, or extra virgin olive oil. Either one, you just need one sort or type of oil. We're going to be breaking the little cinnamon stick apart, and we're going to add it into boiling water until the water changes color. We're going to extract all the benefits out of the cinnamon stick. And you don't necessarily have to use the water hot or cold. It doesn't necessarily make a difference. You could either use it either way. We are going to be needing 1 cup of cinnamon water, and we're going to be placing it into a bowl. Then we're going to be adding 1/3 of a cup of olive oil or coconut oil, whichever one is your preference. If you're using coconut oil, I do recommend that the water be a little bit more warm, so that way your coconut oil is able to melt. But today I'm going to be using the olive oil. Once that is filled, we're going to be placing that olive oil also into the cinnamon water. Then we're going to be adding a spoonful of honey. Note that it has to be real honey. It cannot be syrup. It has to be real honey. Once that is all set, we're going to be mixing all of these ingredients together. And for a much easier application, I usually apply this with a color bottle. It just makes it easier. It doesn't make such a mess. And I'm going to be concentrating and applying this on my scalp first, and then moving towards out to my ends, but specifically onto my scalp. Cinnamon has a lot of benefits for your hair. Cinnamon stimulates circulation to the skin and therefore improves the flow of nutrient-rich blood to your hair follicles. The free flow of nutrients help to stimulate hair growth cycle and nourish your hair. Coconut oil and olive oil are so good for your hair, especially to help it grow faster. Coconut oil and olive oil contain fatty acids that are naturally found in them, which help nourish the scalp and help remove the sebum buildup from your hair follicles. That way it allows your hair to grow so much shinier and thicker and faster. At the same time, it hydrates and it shuts your cuticle on your hair shaft. Honey is a natural humectant. Honey attracts moisture. It is also full of antioxidants and nutrients, which help also support your hair growth and encourage hair growth to even become faster. Once this solution is all applied onto their hair, we're going to be clipping it up. We're going to be allowing it to be sit on our hair for a few minutes and let it do its work. I'm just going to make sure that my hair is completely saturated once it's already up in my bun, and it might drip a little, so just be careful. Just make sure that your whole scalp is very, very saturated, because that is the most important part that we want that this solution to touch. I just try and massage it into my scalp a little bit and give a slight massage by scratching my scalp. Sometimes it might feel a little bit itchy, but that is completely normal because of the spiciness that the cinnamon has, and that is when you realize it is working. We're going to be leaving this on a few minutes on our hair. We're going to be leaving this on for a couple of minutes. You can apply a shampoo cap if you want. It's not necessary if you want, but we're going to be leaving it on for 30 minutes, and after 30 minutes we're going to go shampoo and condition like normally with the same product you use all the time. And once I have shampooed and conditioned, we're going to detangle our hair. And usually after a hair treatment, I try not to apply any heat to it. Try to let it air dry, and look, you can see how shiny it is. Let me know in the comments below if you try this treatment, if it helped you. And I hope you like this treatment. I will see you next video. Don't forget to like and to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you later. Goodbye.